Student, welcome once again to my channel. Now in this session we have a triple integral over here, so let's quickly move on with the solution. So we have the integral of 4 1 here, 3 2 here. Now we have with respect to the x, the y and the z. So what we are going to do is that we are going to solve each one of them one after the other. So we have, let's take the first part. We have the integral of 1 to 0. We have x plus yz here, right? And then we can have the x here, and then we can have the y and the z outside. So we are dwelling upon the x with respect to the x. So we have 4 here 1, and then we have 3 here 2, and then from here we can have so we are different integrating with respect to s. So integrating with respect to x, then we can have so this goes like this, 1 over 1 divided by 2, so it becomes s squared divided by 2 plus, and then become s, y, and then z, right? And then this goes to 1 and then 0 here, right? The y, the z. Now substituting the whole thing into it, right? So let's further simplify this. So with this we are just going to get when we had 1 here, we just get 1 over 2, then plus we just have yz here, right, minus when we substitute 0 here, it goes away, substitute 0 here, everything goes away, so we are just left with only this. So we just consider this only, right? Then we have the y and also the z. So we've gotten rid of the with respect to s. Now let's look at with respect to y. So 4 1 here, and then we have with respect to y, we have the integral of 3 2 here, 1 over 2 plus yz to bracket, we have the y here, and then the z outside. So with this we can, so from here we have the integral of 4 1 here, right? And then we have so let's integrate that. So integrating that, we have 1 over 2 y, and then we have just y squared, and then with a z divided by 2, right? And then with 3 here, with 2 here, and then close this one, then the z outside. So with the y also, we can have something like, we substitute 3 into it, we have just 3 over 2, and then we substitute 3 into this side, we have just plus 9 over 2 z, and then the minus part will just be, we have just, we substitute 2 into here, then we have just 1, and then 2 here we have minus 4 over 2, which is just 2z, right? And then we can have the z. So from here we have, we simplify the whole of that. So 3 over 2 minus 1 will just give us 1 over 2, right? And then 9 over 2z minus 2 over minus 2z is just going to give us plus 5 over 2z, and then we have the z over here. Now what is left with respect to the z? So we integrate again with respect to the z. So integrating that, we have just so we are just going to have this to be 1 over 2z plus we just add 1 plus 1 here, then we divide by that. So we are just going to get 5 over 4 here, then z squared, then the z, right? So substituting, sorry, we've already integrated, so we have 4 here and then 1 here. So substituting that into it, and then we are just going to get, we put 1 here, 1 over 2, we substitute 1 here, we have plus 5 over 4, and then minus, sorry, we substitute 4 first, sorry, substitute 4 first. So 4 here, we have 4 divided by 2 is just 2, and then from here we have, we substitute 4 here, we are just going to get 4 cancel one of the 4s, and then we are left with 20 and then we substitute 1 here, we have minus 1 over 2. We substitute 1 there, 5 over 4, right? And then with this, we are just going to get just this place gives us 22 minus 1 over 2 minus 4, 5 over 4, and then we are just going to get the answer as 81 divided by 4 as the answer. So thank you very much for joining me in this section. I hope this session was helpful. If you are new here, please like, subscribe, and also hit the notification bell to be notified anytime we post a new video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys in another section.